No, officer, I'm not cutting my exhaust.
If you think about it really hard, it does taste like blueberries. Come on. There we go. Alright guys, if you are a Volvo P2 chassis owner, you obviously have come across at least one time or another the window regulators giving you problems. The window will kind of start falling in the door sideways, it'll be really loose, it won't go up properly, it just does a whole bunch of weird stuff. This thing had a really weird issue where the window only gave me problems when it was cold outside. It was like above 60 degrees, the thing worked perfectly. It was really strange. But long story short, we have a parts car I swapped the window regulator out of because this arm right here, as you can see, this one is completely bent. You know, it might be kind of hard to see, but I have problems with this thing keep bending on me. It kind of, the window will go into the track sideways and it'll just start folding this arm. There's really nothing I could do about it. I tried so many different things. And it's a little loose too, but it's, I don't know, I kind of feel like it's acceptable. But either way, we found one on FCP Euro for, I don't know, 75 bucks I think it was, shipped to the house. So it's not too bad of a price, but as you can see, I'll put this the right way. It seems like they upgraded it a little bit, or you can see it's stamped differently to make it stronger, and it's got like a bend in it, which this one isn't bent like that, but I'm sure it'll probably still work. But it overall just feels a lot more sturdier than the original one is. Because like this arm is super thin, like I could just bend it like that with no problem. Versus this thing is really, really stiff. So hopefully this should solve the problem with the window regulators. Arms folding, aside from the blue clips on here that like to break and all that stuff. That's a whole different issue. But when you find out the blue clips aren't the issue, it's actually the regulators. And it's got to be a pretty common problem because all 5 of the P2 chassis vehicles we own all have problems with the windows on either side, and if one starts going, the other one will go in a year. So it's just one of those things. But just wanted to make a short video showing that, you know, might be actually worth it just to buy a new one rather than trying to fix this one. Because we tried throwing back ideas, maybe welding some metal in here, or somehow trying to strengthen this so we wouldn't have to buy a new window regulator. But I mean, for 70 bucks, that's not terrible. And if they make it just a better quality, it might just be worth it just to buy one. So we'll put it in, see how it works. If it works out great, then I guess that's the way to go. But yeah, that's about it.